Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. In this video, we're going to look at how you'd import a CSV file into the Net2 system. So first of all, it might be a good idea to set a system up, maybe a sample system on your work machine, where you're going to add doors and you can add access levels and areas like that. Hopefully it's a relatively small system you're doing, but really what you do need to do is create an access zone as a minimum. So go to access levels and create an access level that suits the installation. Maybe come along later and apply the doors to the access level. So you can see here, if I go to I've created one called doors. I've only got one control on here, but that's the controller which is associated to this time zone here. And the name of that time zone, access level, sorry, is doors. If I was to create another one and had multiple doors, you would see different doors here, and you could apply which time zone doors has got access to. So it could be at no time, it could be a door open period, predetermined period I've set up, timed access working hours. But I'm going to say all day, every day for this example. So why have we done that? Well, I've created one user already. It's called test card. And if we to export the information we've already got there, it's fairly simple then to see what you need to do. So let's go to File and Export to, and we'll call it Net2 data, and it's a CSV file. So let's save that. So now we can go to our CSV editor and change the file. CSV editor can be any spreadsheet application. It could be the Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice, Office 365. There's lots and lots of them. So let's open that file in the editor, and then we can make some changes. So here we are in a spreadsheet editor, and you can see here I downloaded from our system. So it's giving me the card I already had enrolled in with a card number, sample card number made up. The access level, which was valid, if you remember, I said it was doors, the name was doors, and when it's valid from and to. Now I'm using a HID reader and I'm using a COS card. So that means on the COS cards there is a card number, so your customer can do these in advance. So the first one I've just picked up here, the card number is 164321. So I will continue this, adding the card numbers in till I've finished. I'm going to add about 5 or 6. With the card numbers added, I can now add some names. Okay, I've added some simple names. Next is the access level. I've only got the one, but you know, if you have 2 or 3, apply the right levels. Or maybe as the installer, you'll do this later on, maybe just using this as a bed to get the cards and fobs, the credentials and names into the system. But why not add the door level access levels while you're here? So I'll add them now. That's the access levels added. Activation date, when's it valid from? So that's the dates now added. That's valid from. Now if you want to put expiration dates in, you can do that, and you can add further information to the system, so your client can have all the information they need. And these are all the fields available. So you can have the user ID, the personnel number, car reg if you've got ANPR. But really, that's for them to add as they need it. So with all that information done, we can then save this file to the desktop and then import it into Net2. So let's save this. Make sure you do save it as a CSV. There's the file name, Net2 data. Save that. So here we are back in Net2. As you can see, I've just got the original card I made up, with a sample token number 12345. So now we want to import that database. So let's go to File and then Import, and you just import it from wherever you saved it to on your machine, desktop, memory stick, or wherever it is. Import it from that location. Okay, I've imported it. It's CSV, so it's separated by commas. The first row was the names. Let's click Next. going to import the data. Let's click yes. 6 users have been added. Okay. And there we are. It's populated these 6 names here. So the names I've just created in the CSV file. And we are now ready to go. The system should actually work. So actually, I might just give it a test. I can hear the relay click. And that's it. The system's now ready to work from the CSV file. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.